Hello guys. Today we'd like to introduce one cooler for your mobile phone or gaming phone. Alright, this is for gaming purpose. Okay, what's so special? As you can see, this Black Shark FunCooler Pro. If you can see, Pro. Alright, it can freeze your phone very fast. Okay, cool down your phone very fast. Let's do the unboxing. Alright, what do we have inside the box? We have some stickers, Black Shark stickers, manual, Mandarin, and English. We don't need that. And then there's a QR code for you to scan for the apps that can do some setting, LED setting, I believe, for the cooler. Alright, before look at the cooler, so we have this very good, very common USB to Type-C. Alright, standard nowadays. And this is the actual cooler. So just for comparison, this is the FunCooler, alright, the first version. But look at the size, it's so much different. Alright, this is much bigger, I believe it's much cooler, and this is with lighting, but this is smaller and no LED. Alright, I'll power up and let you see. So how to power this? I have two USB cable here. Both are U-green, sky U-green. You can see that. Okay, now I already power up these two FunCooler and FunCooler Pro. Alright, this is FunCooler Pro. Alright, the first comparison is that let's go to the size, obviously. Okay, the FunCooler Pro is much bigger than the FunCooler, the white color. Okay, in terms of size. So I will show you. I'm using a Note 9 6.7 inch to do comparison. You can see this. Alright, you might still have some space. Quite comfortable, no problem. Quite comfortable. Okay. Alright. Then how about the FunCooler Pro? Alright, so you can see this is bigger and they take more space on the phone. This is 6.7 inch, guys. 6.7 inch. So it's slightly it's still comfortable, but it's just like something obstructing my middle fingers. Other than that, it's still okay. I think okay lah. If I put like this, it's okay. Well, comparison is that yeah, obviously this is black, this is white, and this black, the Pro version come with the LED, rainbow color LED. And if you want to do some setting on the LED, you can go to the download the apps. So the third comparison, guys, what I found out from the official store, now this FunCooler is selling at $139 and the Pro is selling $149. So I believe many people will go for this, or the Pro. The price drop, but this one is like not decreasing. But if you go to Lazada, Shopee, if you go to other supplier, there are many good comments. Actually, you can get it at 89 ringgit. Alright,